Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the aerator switch on a Basstender 11.3. Place the switch right there. I'm going to take off the 4 panel screws. Lift up the switch panel. As you can see, it's a 2-pin connector. The 2-pin on and off switch. So to get the old one out, put the new one in. Take out the 2 electrical connectors. So just push out the switch. Pops out just like that. Old switch. With new on-off switch. Slide it back in. That's all there is to it. Hook up the electrical connectors. So the run from the fuse to the switch, and then to the power source. That's all there is to it, on and off. The rocker switch was replaced. I'll leave the part number in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.